In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, hit Theme section and scroll all the way down to see all available options. You can even click on Show More at the bottom right corners. When you're ready, click on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your new theme by hitting Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it, you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!